Hi kids, I hope you are well and safe. Today teacher is going to do a new lesson. Okay, new lesson about healthy teeth. Okay, children, you know about food. Last week also teacher did a lesson on food. So kids, we all the living beings, we need food to live. Without food we can't live, no? So when we eat food, we want to take nutritious food to our body because we want energy to do our work. We need lot of energy to our body. So to get energy, to stay healthy, we need food. When we take balanced diet only, we can work properly. That means we can see properly, we can hear properly, and we can stay without getting ill. Okay, so we know we have vegetables, fruits and vegetables and what? Okay, and the food contains carbohydrate, food contains sweet, food contains protein and vitamins and minerals. From all those group like this, I have a food pyramid. Just I'll show you the things in the food pyramid. All this food, can you see? Not only one food, okay? Not only the vegetables, not only the fruit. From all these kind of foods, we have to eat one of these when we are taking lunch or a breakfast. Okay, normally we have 3 meals for the day, main meals. Okay, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So when we are eating, we have to eat a balanced diet. Okay, to get energy to our body. Not only energy, when the bacteria comes to our body, we have to fight with them and we have to get rid of that. So to get rid of the bacteria or the virus, we have to have a good health. To get a good health, we have to eat a balanced diet. Okay, you want to see properly, we have to eat a lot of green leaves. Okay, fruit and vegetables, and you know we have to eat other things contain proteins and carbohydrate. So to get a balanced diet is very important to our body. That means we have to get a lot of nutritious food. We have to be very healthy. Okay, we have to have a strong muscles and bones. To get strong muscles and the bones, we have to have a healthy diet. Means balanced diet. Okay, so we have good food and bad food both. Children, when we are talking about the food, we can take bad food also. We have a lot of bad food, junk food. Most of them are used to eat those. Okay, we'll see what are those, no? What are the food good for us and bad for us, okay? Okay, I'll show you. Now we are going to talk about healthy teeth. To have a healthy teeth, we'll see what are the food we need. What are bad food? We have to avoid those bad foods, okay children? We have to avoid these bad foods, okay? These are the food we have to avoid. If we want to have a healthy teeth, I'll show you. If you want to have a set of teeth like this, okay, set of teeth like this. You know kids, we have 2 set of teeth, milk teeth and adult teeth. Normally adults have 32 teeth. Okay, you have to protect your teeth and look after and carefully. You have to care about your teeth, okay? So we'll see how you have to look after your teeth and care about your teeth, okay? If you want to have a set of teeth like this, we'll see what you you have to do. Do you like the set of teeth like this or set of teeth like this? What do you prefer? We'll see, huh? If you eat bad food, what will happen to your teeth? We'll see, okay? We have two mouths, huh? See? So kids, we are talking about your teeth. You know, I'll show you this later. I'll talk to you first. When we eat the food particles, small food particles go and stuck in our teeth. Okay? When they stuck in our teeth, small bacteria called, we can't see them. Okay? A small creature called bacteria, they come and attack our teeth. They like to eat them, but we can't see them. If you didn't brush your teeth at night, when they come to your mouth and they stay, but we can't see them. In between the teeth, there are small particles of food. So they like to eat. They come and attack our teeth, and our teeth are getting decayed. It will become black color. Okay, and we will take toothache. So be careful. So when we take, most of the time when we take sweet, they like sweet things. Junk foods, sweet drinks, chocolate, lot of chewing gums. Okay, here see, lollipop. Here, all these are sweet things. Here, hot drinks, sweet drinks, cold sweet drinks. If you take more and more things, what will happen? Here, see, you will damage your teeth. Be careful. Okay? To have a strong teeth, we have to eat nutritious food. We'll see what are good for our teeth. Here, see, fish, teeth, milk. Here, see, vegetables, fruit. What are they contain? They contain vitamin, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins. Okay, they contain all these things. So they give what? When we eat the good food, that our teeth will be strong and bright. They will become bright, nice, bright teeth, no? White color teeth, okay? Set of teeth. So if you eat good food, if you eat bad food, what will happen? You will decay your teeth. We'll see how many times you have to brush your teeth for a day. Okay, at least twice a day. Twice for a day you have to brush your teeth, in the morning and in the evening, at night before you go to bed. Okay, before you go to bed, and in the morning when you get up, you have to brush your teeth. What do you use to brush your teeth? We have to use toothpaste. You have to put some toothpaste into toothbrush and brush your teeth properly. Okay, at least about 2 minutes you have to brush. Not just put some toothpaste and just brush it and come. 1 or 2 times you brush your teeth and wash it and come. No, even at least 2 minutes you have to brush your teeth properly. Upper jaw, lower jaw, you have upper jaw and lower jaw. So have to brush it properly. Okay, without brush, if you didn't brush your teeth properly, what will happen? Who is coming to your mouth? Bacteria will come. We'll see. If you didn't brush your teeth, what will happen to your teeth? Set of teeth. They will fall after attacking the bacteria. The teeth will fall. So look at this. There are gaps in the mouth. They will become black color, and it's very painful when you got toothache. Be careful. We have to look after our teeth properly. Care about your teeth. If we have a toothache, to whom we have to go? Who is the doctor who is looking up? There is a special doctor to see these teeth. Who is that doctor? Dentist. We have to go to a dentist. If we have a problem in the teeth, we have to go and meet a dentist, doctor. So he will advise us how to look after set of teeth. So if you want to have a good set of teeth, you have to eat good food. Not so much of sweet. Okay? There's a limit for everything. You have to take a balanced diet. What contains them? Vitamins and minerals, carbohydrate, fats, protein, that means fruit and vegetables, more fruit and vegetables. So you have to eat meat or an egg or something. You have to eat fats, means what? Cheese or margarine or something. You have to have a glass of milk. A balanced diet to have a strong teeth. Look after your teeth properly, okay? Here, see, do you like the set of teeth like this? Ugly, no? Do you like to see? When you are smiling, you may have a teeth. If you didn't look after your teeth properly, your set of teeth will become like this. Okay? And if you look after them properly, your teeth will become, the set of teeth will become like this. Okay, I'll show you. We have an activity sheet, children. Activity sheet 88, fun page 88. Page 88. Okay, this is the activity sheet you have. I have colored it, I'll show you. I show you the page, activity sheet, what I have. Here, they said what? Good for your teeth and bad your teeth. Color the things that are good for your teeth and put across what is bad. What are the things is bad for your teeth? This can't see properly. I'll show you this. Okay. What are the things is bad for your teeth? Now tell me what are the things. This is a toffee. Toffee is a sweet. Is that good to eat? Sweet? No. It's a bad. Okay, bad food. So we have to cross. Okay, what is this? It's a lollipop. So lollipop is a sweet. So it's a bad thing to our teeth. Okay, she's real. Can you see your face with the chewing gum, bubble gum? So it's not good for our teeth. The bacteria will like to eat these things, bad things. And they will come and attack you, okay? Attack your teeth. So, what else is not good? This is a cake, no? It's not good to eat sweets. Okay, this is also not to eat. There are so many cakes. This is a cupcake. Cross the things bad to your teeth, you have to cross the things, okay? If they are bad to your teeth, you have to cross it, okay? Here also the cake is not good. What are things good for your teeth? Here this broccoli is a vegetable. You have to color them. Kiwi, vegetable. Apple, orange, watermelon, grapes, forces. This is to clean your teeth, okay? Toothpaste we need. Toothpaste is good, no? To our teeth, we have to clean our teeth. Then only the bacteria we can attack the bacteria. And we can chase the bacteria from your mouth when you brush your teeth with the toothpaste. Milk. Yes, you have to take a glass of milk every day, okay? It's good for your health and to keep your teeth stronger, okay? All this food, the good food will help you to keep your teeth strong and healthy, okay? The bad food will damage your teeth. Be careful. When you eat bad food, you will damage your teeth, okay? Okay, kids. I think you have got an idea. This is fun page book, page number 88. Fun page book, page number 88. Okay. Now I'll show you again. If you can't remember, just check this. See this. What are the best food for the teeth? The good food for your teeth. Vegetables, fruit, milk. Okay, fruit, vegetables, curds, yogurt, they are good. Okay. all the good things, good food, nutritious foods are good for your teeth. If you have a bright white teeth, set of teeth, you have to eat these things, good food, not junk foods. So eat chocolate and all. The junk foods, don't eat junk foods, okay? They are bad for your teeth. You have to take a balanced diet, okay, containing what? Protein, minerals and vitamins, okay, carbohydrates, all those things. That means you have to eat more and more green leaves, vegetables, fruits, okay, and you have to drink plenty of water. Always drink water. That is very essential. You have to drink a lot of water to keep your body healthy and your teeth healthy, okay? Right, kids. Have a nice day.